Hey guys, just having a look at the pound US dollar today. So we did have a spike up in the US dollar after that short. Sorry, after that long, so actually I got that wrong. So we did have a spike down after that spike up. So we could be getting into into some US dollar strength here, as you can see after that run here we had after the short. Then we had a little bit of a spike up there, kind of mid at neutral RSI or so. We had a spike up. We could be getting into some bearish momentum here for non-US currencies. So we have a look. It's pretty much market wide. It's like a market wide correlation here, except for US CAD again. It looks like last Thursday. It looks like a repeat of last Thursday, pretty much. So last Thursday we had the US strength starting. We had that run for almost a week, and now that looks like it's about to happen again. So we have pretty much here the exact same thing. So I think we could get it long on UJ, long on the US Japanese yen, long on the US Swiss franc. Coming up here, not yet, but soon. So I think the next one's going to be AUD USD. So I'm already in AUD CAD. That one I got in last night. It's about at the same price. So it's pretty much just hovering, kind of flatlining like this. Like how we had, can't really see that there, hold on. So we had pretty much the price here just stay pretty flat here for a while in this kind of range. I guess they're 4-hour candles, so it's kind of a bigger range, maybe 40, 50 pip range, but pretty much just been staying in that range, pretty flat here, trading sideways. So I think we could get a short here pretty soon. Just waiting for the signal, so I'm in. So just look at the Kiwi US. So New Zealand's been running up pretty high on the RSI here, getting close to 80. Not 80 yet, but 76 was here. Yeah, so it looks like it's been 76, maybe 77 at some point, so it's getting up there. So when everything gets into a market-wide transition, like when we get all the US pairs go oversold, then that's a good sign when they're all about to start moving towards neutral again. So that's a good sign when the market moves together. Like for example, I had the AUD CAD short, which I entered yesterday, and it's pretty much just been staying around where it is. Had a spike up too, but now it's about, I think it's 10 pips from where I got it from. So when the market kind of moves together, like when we get the US dollar strength here, that could push it down pretty quick. When we get when we get AUD USD starting to go short, that'll push it down, so that's good. So when the market kind of moves together, that's the best way. So it looks like a pretty much the same. I'm hoping for the exact same thing as last Thursday. This time I guess it is Thursday again, so it's pretty much looks like the exact same cycle could be starting, which is cool. Tomorrow we have the jobs report for the US. I think it's non-farm payrolls on a Friday. That's usually pretty bullish, so just be wary of that. But yeah, so we'll have a look at that in a sec. What else? Oh yeah, so it looks like we have Bitcoin going short here too. I'll just show you guys. So Bitcoin and Ethereum got the short signal here. Whoops. Okay, looks like we have the short. So the short here started at the signal was at 16,950. It's exactly almost where it is right now, so it's not a bad entry. So we had this go down to 16,866. So almost 100 points there. So still early. If you look at the again, crypto can be risky, so just be careful. But if you look at the last signal here, we had quite a move down, and last time we had quite a move up. So could be getting into a nice short here. Same with Ethereum. So yeah, pretty much. Where's the signal here? The signal was at 12.71. So we're exactly where it is right now. So that could start to move, especially when the U.S. dollar starts to get some strength. When that starts, so if we have a look at the DXY here, so the DXY, pretty much flat here, pretty low. So it's basically oversold at this point. Pretty much just sitting here flat, so I think that'll, well, it's still kind of far away from its signal. Could be tomorrow. I don't think that's going to actually start swinging till New York. But other pairs can start early. For example, last time we had the AUD and Kiwi pairs start moving. Then the euro, then the pound, then the euro, then the euro, then the pound. So they don't all move at the same time, but they start to. So that's good when they do that. If we have, like, for example, all pairs like all US pairs going short, and we have like one pound going if we have the pound going short, but the rest of all the pairs are going long, like the non-US major pairs, then that's a bad sign. So it can still go well. It just, like, it's not a bad sign. I mean, it's higher probability when all the pairs move together. It's better because the market's moving together. Like, all the banks are buying together, all the banks are selling together, kind of thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll probably just end it there. Tomorrow we have I think it's non-farm payrolls. Will be out sometime in the morning, so check it out. If you guys like the video, you can like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.